Yeah, man. For the first, yeah, watch the channel, yeah. Subscribe, man. Really, I appreciate that. We are trying to go to 100K, you know. You know what I mean? And you have the power to make it happen. But more remember, say, when I click the subscribe button, it's free. Because I know from people that never know, I know you know. So, build a family, man. You know what I mean? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Watch a movie, yeah. Tell me what you think about. Leave a comments, click the notification bell. You know what I mean? Oh, what are going Browning? Browning, enough said to them?
Guys, keep on subscribing.
Yeah, man, that's Browning. Keep on subscribing. Take it to the world. Watch a movie, yeah.
Let me get back to you. So yeah, David. No, the well think out. Yeah, see. Man, you know. So yeah, so yeah, the favorite idea. No, not really. Eat already. Some must eat. I asked a question, man. So I'm going to end at the boy there. Many more the life story good, which tomorrow I go out myself today, isn't it? My month, you know. Good things.
We don't have nothing better to do, no sit down out here so I chat.
If you don't have nothing to do, obviously you're going to sit down and chat. You want to chat about man, because of your story now. You have to tell the girls how you want to chat about man. Because obviously we're going to join the conversation, so.
Morning.
Good morning. So, yeah. How are?
No, that tree, the memories are nice. One time, you jump on, so time come and look up. We're entering the place, you know. Anybody, you know, read the fine print though. If anything jump off of this tree, I like one on respond to himself. As long as the breadfruit tree have breadfruit pan it, you know, if you sit down and light, I'm telling you. So, I want to find now. Anyway, the rent ready? Who in there? Somebody in there?
Yes, somebody in there. You chat woman, you ask me about your story and what going on your love life.
Anytime we ask it, what about your money, obviously? Me single.
So you're enjoying?
Yeah.
Sorry.
So you're not find new man.
A new man, there's a one sitting on.
Alright, alright, again. Yeah, left a one and do no. We're not see a fan of the tree here.
Sorry, going to boy this is yeah, man.
Alright.
One. Goodbye.
Thank you. Red black Ramport.
Look here, come here, in the field with me now, friend.
Yes, but anyway, we are going. We can't go and chat.
Can the sport? I'm not going to go over there. Yeah.
Say that too.
I'm going to take this now, yeah? Brittany!
Jesus Christ. Brittany!
Brittany!
Take him up. Let me say easy, man.
God,
Take him up. Give it up. Jesus Christ. some water. Brittany, hurry up. Hurry up now.
Well, I'm
You're not fully. Hurry up.
Brittany. I wrote what do I? Brittany.
Brittany.
In my head. Take him.
Brittany. What is this?
Brittany, alright?
Brittany.
Sure. Brittany. Oh, yeah.
Let me go.
Brittany.
You see, man. Brittany. Let me think more. Put your hands up. The one with that thing got in one way?
So now you want to run away?
Brittany, be yourself.
Well, you can't go that. Can't go that. Can't go that. Can I hold you?
Come on. Well, you good. No, maybe you will come on. What up?
Me say, girl, today we dey out there say, well, I win and for your baby father come down and talk to and a chat about who my neighbor food dropping our head. We did have fun off him, man. You know, we did have fun off him and one bag of something and the man said, my neighbor food dropping our head. We did have fun off him and check him and said, alright. So, when we will say we are going to go back, we say we are go over and sister say we are going there. Oh, so when we move off now, me hear boo for me look round and Brittany that me sit down, sleep on the ground. Brittany me sleep on the ground. So we run go, well Brittany there and tell guess what I call about Brittany name? Me say I'm calling sister, what are we going to take up Brittany? Me heavy. So we can carry her doctor. When she come back now, pure madness she did a chat. God know. So on red fruit powerful. So when you say she attack like she lose her mind or something. Yeah. Or she a mad or something. So one breadfruit mad out somebody. I first no, you go on that one breadfruit tree no. You go on that one breadfruit tree and make one breadfruit up in your head. But why would I want to go on breadfruit tree? Okay. He mad, he talk mad. Me say when me see girl on the road. He mad, he not even talk nothing sensible. Here girl, how are you? I got for me. I say girl did that galano.
Go on. No, where are you now?
There's contact with my friend.
Hello. Go on, different go.
I am man here to chat to your man. I am there to chat to your man.
Anyways, we have some breadfruit tacos. What's your name?
Brittany. Remember since they when I come over there, one we say my breadfruit up in our head over there. Breadfruit up in our Brittany head. As we get for walk for your booth, we turn on back, and Brittany that we sit on the ground.
But we tell them to come find a tree, we never listen. How much on that tree?
Chia, we remember such a
tree, my food Japan, like a tree on our head because we never listen. You know what I'm saying about hard is spinning door. But what do I do?
We just come from over a hospital and she get released and the pure madness she did a chat say.
At least she not dead still. She may tell the things. Me say, when we start one a tree until when I break in Japan by a tree. I go come and make sure when I get them. Yeah? Does give me some time. But me I tell them say, to break from the pan tree, that's why I know I cut it down. Because I know so I could have roast and break from boil and break from. I'm not so hot girl still. When I want breadfruit chips are coming in a bag. When I want pick breadfruit and make chips with that I never Japan by a tree. But anyway. But that's the way I would just go and tell her, right?
Never know.
Alright. You're not running, you know.
Girl, I know.
You're not running, you're not for go, you know. But you just can't stay here, can come over now, more access to my woman to do. Alright.
Take care, girl. Alright.
Alright, mind the dog out there, you know. Look, I can't feed the dog.
Don't be tired of my dog, them.
Babe, why can you open the room here?
Mas around here so comfortable than in our next room. I don't know why. If I told me pregnant, well, pregnancy have a weird.
Oh, you sweat, so. I don't want girl to do that. I'm not sure you can't sweat. I mean, you see, I'm getting nervous.
No, my heart. That's why I can't sweat like that. But it's already a burn out.
So, but then say you can be the night time still.
You be at any time.
Let's go come be there then. I'll watch you at the same time. Watch you the face.
Why? You love sex still, you know?
Well, if I never love sex, so all you like to get them. You see next one I get the now.
You love sex too much, man.
No, it's good for you.
But no say it's good for you, but you love it too
Because
much.
that was like a calm, you know. And tell me something need to ensure say you get enough hyle and juice. That means the passage fluctuate and stretch out like elastic. When you pick me and come, you just jump out the flips and can say good morning daddy. You know what I mean? So me have to get everything up and running. So how long you have to say before you come out? Look, come on too long in there. How much more money have we now?
3 more months.
3 more months, they'll come back 1 more. Come on, take too long. The next one will
What
come
you say?
faster.
Go back 1 more. Are you feel the pain?
Listen, from your born as a woman, you agree to feel like pain. And you love pain. But you have to do it harder. Every time you say, harder. And that make you get bad, so. Come watch it every day. Miss a whole day today, no? Whole day today.
Realize.
Tell you.
So what are you doing with it?
No, you call me and tell me say you want to tell me all kind of things.
Why? Me I tell you say no girl, I don't know what happened to my man. I don't know if him not find me attractive or something. But when I fix up myself and put on my sexy shots, them and do up my hair, braid it and all of them there. Him not really attractive to me. Like, you know when your boyfriend see you look nice and want to rub your down, touch your itch up on you. Him not stay so I don't know what wrong with him. You see if me all sweep up the yard, foot dirty, my head loose out and well raga. I kind of look undecent, if you get me I say. Mother lip on my foot back, something. Them ten them come and rub me down like he attractive to nastiness or something. I don't know what happened to him.
So I tell me say, your man love nastiness. I want him attracted to my woman or something.
Don't know. When the am there on a back, I wake up, I slide and drop in the mud now. Him come and talk about, come here, we go do this something now. Me tell him say no, me I forgot beard and I see how I look. I don't know what happened to him.
You girl, the way you tell me say you beard, you drop in a mud and your man want have sex with you at the time day. My man is not like that. My man love when me clean and fresh up. First of all, him always ask me if me beard. That the boy don't love nastiness. Look at me here. You see if I me ear raga, he might cuss me and tell me say girl go do your ear not look so. You know what this hairstyle? 10 grand. So I know your man. I want to feel man so I'm my mother.
Why? I don't know if I tell you a girl at the time I make you come over here. Because I don't know if
Wait. And then you tell me say your man not turn on to you. What you mean he not turn on to you? From your man everywhere he want to do it. Other day I go over the party and you tell me say he want to do it in the party, you know. I true me no want you no
I never say him not turn on to me, no. But tell you say him not turn on when I look good, when I fix up. But you ain't turn on when me and mother look dirty. Him turn on to me, but only when I look dirty and look the worst. So that me tell you.
So like when you look dirty now, he must turn on to you.
I don't look dirty, baby girl.
They just me ear and catch up properly, no. But this still not turn him on because it have a loose out.
So you ask him, you sit down and talk to him and ask him why problem, why cause.
Oh, for ask him and he must show me. He must show me so the cleanness of me have that of the cause. If him like me dirty, that's him simple as show me say rather see me so and he turn him on. What me for the
So
whole
you say a mad girl and man love. For my man other day when we go over the party. He might tell me, say, we must go do it around at the back. And I say, look, I want him feel comfortable and happy because he always make me happy. He don't make me shout or nothing. And he tell me, say, your man turn on when you look mad. Yes! Yes, make me all out the door and wake up and sweat. He might hurry up and tell me, say, if you go beard and fresh up myself, kind of want his friend them come look for me and look say me dirty. He always want me clean.
Well, no friend not really come on my man yet, so you know, unless me that call you and say, yo girl, come check me. But me I tell you, it's like in love. See when me don't hear something that turn him on basically.
Look here. You need to fix your life and your problem then because your man need to see a therapist. Me can't bother with them a nasty conversation here. Me I go over and go cook for my man.
You have no good advice, how kind of friend you be?
Can your man go see a psychiatrist? That's the only advice me can give. Why? Whoop, man.
Alright, yeah man. Go find psychiatrist.
Yo, what me not understand though?
What?
Why you typing girl? What type of girl I like? Other day, you know, when we are town, you know, if you want to go up a line, go spend 2 days or something, because you tell me, say, yo, I go up in a few place, we spend some time, I will go up there. And I see one mad girl I walk a good on the road. But you didn't even realize that me I watch her, you know. And I see it just because I like, yeah, look if me and see you. You see me, because I remember say, me need to turn up like right so, and you're the right so. But you kind of look if me really, I made say I do. Then I see you walk away. And I see you go down the road when the mad woman pass. Come see when she pass, you look for her. But me ain't that made at that time. But when I see you walk, go down there and something and make you feel like, say, me nah watch her all night and I turn on me. But after that now, when I sneak and come down there, me see you and the woman in a sex, like you just have him on one corner so, and a sex and you look.
Yeah.
What kind of lifestyle them
So
do you with?
man, they want decision.
Yeah, me know.
Want my town, make it stay at town. Right?
Yeah, but a whole heap of girl out there. But what you know, you have your good woman a yard, your woman, like, me nah made the woman, you know, hold on, me nah made the woman, you know, but your woman clean, she 10 times better than the mad woman, so why you attracted to a mad woman? You can carry disease to your woman a yard.
She no mad.
But you can carry disease to your woman a yard.
She no mad, daddy.
So you use condom?
I just want breadfruit up in her head, say.
So you use condom?
Yeah. I no must use condom, I no go in there. What kind of style I do me do? And go back home to my home.
Why, car? If you don't come back in a car, you frozen, me I tell you. Me I tell you the truth.
Then
You can't live their life
time
there,
you go work, you must just smell me. You know how I can't.
Yeah, boy, me not have your heart for go have sex with them other man still. You have
Me, I
a clean,
tell you,
you
say
have
she
a
no
clean
mad.
woman a yard. You can't, boy, me can't hold for your conversation. Them. Yo, look come on here, man. Like,
Just
not
walk,
even-
walk,
yeah,
walk
look come on.
down,
Yeah, man, you good, man, you good. Live your life. Alright.
Oh, even
What I'm even. I want to ask you something serious, you know?
oh. My clothes on this there. I'm gonna put them in that jar. Yes, you know.
Come on, just to fix something here.
Yes, you know.
I know what really the problem. Why every time, like, when I'm dirty, you're more giant to me sexual?
What do you mean by?
Like, wait, like, look up till last night. I clean up the place, I'm sweaty, and yeah, I said, come babe, I will have sex. I'm sweaty, but even did beard.
Yeah, I just move down in some time. You know.
Alright, I'm gonna show you something. I'm clean now, come out with me.
I can't do it, you know. I check my gun, check by you. We can't do it now. We come back, man. No,
You see what me I show you? Me clean now, we can't do it now, and yes, yeah, refuse it. I show me clean
No,
now.
I show me
I
go check fire,
know
something I
if
deal.
me did dirty, you would have taken.
That's something I deal with when we come back.
How you deal?
Something I deal with me and my brethren. That's why I'm going to check fire. Alright.
So your virgin can't wait.
No, India let me out the road right now. So put them in the jars. Later I come back, man.
Later me a sweaty because me a deal with something so come now from now.
Later I come back. Me deal with it. I want to say, man, me a day a woman like me and run away and I come back. Me soon come.
Alright, but I make sure.
Play one for take one.
The bad color like.
Make it tan. I like it, the one with the bad color.
I know sleep one of sleep.
Good night.
Good night.
I bet you nice.
I don't know Brittany.
You're on nothing.
You know there, I don't know which day. I'm gonna walk up and behind Brittany right now.
So no cook.
So that they really come over here for ask Brittany and then ask food to eat.
I know that really come over here from just know if you ask to Brittany, just if you ask me, I'm gonna cook.
So you can make
You don't have no food video, leave your belly and next time you have to come over here.
I'm not to deal with my son, just can't say I'm not cooking now.
I want to cook yet, look, I'm cook. How to learn to love never
Exactly.
There's hope I don't when you're young girl.
And next time when we cook, we call you and give you food.
When you cook, I know when me cook, and when me cook, me not call nobody and give nobody food. I mean, I don't want to provide nobody.
You know, say a long time, I mean.
Me no business.
You can't see me, man, for your fire. They told me, you know.
Oh, so you want me cook my little dividend, so you come over here and name you.
Night.
I don't feel like I'm not man now bad.
You just got with the dirty slippers too.
Alright, relax, man. I'm not looking.
Me don't know what Brittany. Brittany and me bin can't find Brittany.
You see my man that wish I sex.
You see, no son.
And that's why I'm going to look for my sister. And that's so you
Shut up. You're not your friend.
When you can't have no sister in law,
You can't go to see her. No, your friend. You're not even stop.
I'm a friend, yes.
Our friend, that's you.
Yeah, they need time. More how we treat time.
Well, let me tell you something. On our blood, she a friend. Friend, different from.
But look at her.
When
alright, talk first.
When my Brittany there, Brittany know, Brittany know she. Everywhere I hear my Brittany never take.
Hello. Oh, she the same blood.
Yeah, look.
The same blood.
Ain't take she as her own sister more than we. She don't know how we eat.
Because me nicer than her.
Exactly.
You know.
Exactly.
Me there on the road, I look for Brittany too. I know.
So you know, it's not opinion about me.
You look like him, mad like him friend too.
Yeah.
So as me said no. You can't have a little sister all day, yes sir. Well comfortable. Beg your backside, me like Jamaican people, no beg you.
Oh, let me tell you this. You see,
Just while I
you see next time when I come in our house, they take off their dirty slippers there. They too dirty finger.
You see, next time you come here, make sure you clean because my foot them too delicate to walk on them. Look at.
Yeah, with him bright self.
Look at. If you clean, I don't want people wear barefoot in there. My feet are not like that. My feet don't go to the top.
Go on.
Go on.
They tell you what happened. Go on.
you already man before the full I'm a sister I forgot to look for.
You come out too. Hello. Now listen to me. Me not go on the road no night. You see, when earlier morning come,
We go look for her in the morning.
Tonight. Oh.
You go look for your sister, man.
In the morning, we go look
It's
for
a black boy in our bush with him.
What's black boy?
If I want peace, saccharine, they want you to say,
So I say some boy would I really go have sex with a mad girl.
How wicked
Hey, come on, let me teach you something. There's enough of this camera them where you there. Other time they sacrificial. Them dagger the mad people, them any mad woman or mad man they say with good decent clothes have a scammer.
beat them up, dagger them out. Yeah, each time you see them go do it, they have to renew their sacrifice. Because they don't want to sacrifice their family.
We hear you now.
So if you see your damn sister, you're going to look for my man.
Yeah, man, if there was a one on.
She don't know. Listen to me. If you see Brittany over bullshit, man.
Shut up. If you see Brittany over bullshit, man, right? And you know say Brittany our sister, yeah, come here. So whenever draw Brittany, come
exactly. Well, look either boyfriend the girl.
Me no mix with mad people. Look at me, look like me mad, look like a no.
You look like your mother, of course. Look how you.
I would have a piece of tail girl. How would she?
Brittany best friend. Brittany friend, we are telling about.
But that's why me should have did have some egg this morning and drink some something in the car. Just blow some gas over the banana car.
Don't tell them what you said to me. You're bright. I have to tail.
People like when we get poop pan, man. They call me no manners.
And people like you for going to borrow.
No, it hurt if we say all of the ass don't comfortable.
It hurt we if we see you see the girl at the car woman and you say you come to.
What am I doing?
No.
We are back out to my business for them. We are my business.
See, I'm playing here and this.
Brittany is a mad
people business feed my pocket.
Me go look for the mad fetish.
Yo, you call your sister mad fetish. You know, so to me, right now, we think your mother than your sister right now.
Exactly. My head no good, my head sick. Then my best thing for you to come out.
She tell her what happened to your last boyfriend?
Me no want to hear go on little people business alone.
People business are my business. You see, after me have a pen.
He come like a village liar.
Amen. You have sense.
I'm more satellite this to rot in the wall.
I might tell him which part I under you. I satellite dish, but make it time.
Come on. If your man are your woman. This is a woman. You have a here, you be.
One.
Yeah, she.
Yeah,
one. Yeah, she. What is she?
Let me tell you something big fat eggplant. You're shaped like an eggplant. Let me tell you something. Don't rent yourself with the eggplant. Do not.
No. Come on.
No worry.
Come on. You come over here to tell people about eggplant.
Alright, Mappy.
Oh, we are calling Mappy.
For me, no way you want that.
I want a girl that a living girl. He must touch him.
You are good to make people walk on.
Come on, cook. Come over here for big food.
Me I help you. But by the way, I'm not good.
Use this one to give me the back. Come on, all cook on. Yeah, follow me. Tomorrow man, you have to go follow me. Go look for that girl. Come here.
More food.
Yeah, man. A trouble, you know? I don't mind him right now. Brittany, you need to make me go look for him. Earlier morning. I have to look for him. Because if I, the people really
Mommy.
You alright?
Yeah.
Why not so?
More ask you one question. What is fetish?
You really want to know what is fetish? Pass the phone to me. Our technology around the world. You don't even know what is that. And if somebody tell you about that, then if you cut out them company.
But if you don't tell me what is it, how me I gonna know?
You're not supposed to know what is it.
Alright.
You're underage.
So maybe when the baby are born.
Well, 3 months time. You're not born until next year.
So maybe a boy or girl?
Girl.
Oh, me can't wait till she born, me can't cut up her hair.
I'm not darling, no.
But mommy, you see if she rude, me I will make her because me she big sister.
Wait, hold on. Me ever slap you?
No, but she forget like if she rude.
Me never say she not supposed to forget, you know, but me ever slap you?
No.
Okay. If she rude, you come to me. But look, little you, we're born a day talk about slap.
Mom, but me I get big.
And she have my little sister, so if she rude, I suppose you know the day. Suppose you're gonna work or something. What do you do?
Ready? I'm not laughing. What are we talking? I'm frightened. What are you talking about?
Walking, so I couldn't knock.
Oh, let's come off everyone. You alright, girl? Alright, so. You know the whole reason. So you got school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Heroes weekend, right? You know the heroes them? What did they do? Which hero is the greatest hero? Who should I rate then?
Nanny of the Maroon.
Why? Why you rate Nanny of the Maroon? I told you, woman, I'm going to do the research too, right? But she will fight for Jamaica, you know what I mean? And I don't think our government really recognize what she has done because she have fight against oppression and depression and recession, a lot of different things, but we don't get the enlightenment from the because I'm Maroon, you know, so Maroon the DNA, right? And there's a lot of story I should have tell you about. I don't get the time to tell the guy of out in a Babylon and fight the war from that time till this time. But yeah, come. You will see, so you see after you done school, you go get yourself and get education, right? You know, you have to re-educate yourself because that I have to do that, you know what I mean? So you have to do that. So someone don't want to confuse you too much, but there's a lot of things, you know? Because back in the days when the war fight for your rights to be a black person, none of the Maroon fight, them fight the war there for 83 years before the English call it quits and start then let's sign up a peace treaty. You know what I mean? And I found also that started blueprint for independence trick. Not independence, no, it's independence trick. Because you remember that the ABC out in the bush there. The ancestors, they remember that ABC. So when you come with ABC, then shit you with ABCD. 1, 2, 3, then shit you. So now we're trapped back in the same system. It's like you're working, but you're not really working. If your father never skill, you couldn't pay the bill then. You know what I mean? You couldn't have hairstyle. You couldn't live in this wall house, yeah. You couldn't own a house here, you can't go and rent and thing. You know what I mean? So, but a skill is that. But how much Jamaican can really do that? You know what I mean? If plenty Jamaican do the same thing I do, it's going to pose a problem because they don't want to see Jamaicans have nothing really. But that can't stop you still, you know. They say they have to put that in your brain to say, don't say, yo, a war, you have to fight out there to survive. Right? But no worry about the war. Go and study a book and go and enjoy yourself as a child. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So your mother will have a good reason like that. You know what I mean? Because it's always good for mother and daughter all a reason. Because you see, if you're a boy now, you have to teach you to climb tree. So your mother have to teach you how to be a woman. I don't know nothing about that, right? So hope you don't look for a boy. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, Daddy.
What kind of question that you have to fit me?
They ask her. Because she and me am sad that she is her friend. But the music don't play nowadays. None of my reggae music now play at school now, school bus them. I be a skin out and lick out. She hear them every day. They hear them at school, right? You can't, when you get them, they go so. In a bus, you put your hands and you sing. Jesus' love is bubbling over. Jesus on the telephone, and that you feel there. That you feel there. I see one love, no woman, no, and just go through them type of meditation, the world something. Because now make it put them thing up in the head. Where they might play upon the radio. Because they might play upon that, you know, the car radio. I don't need it to go. It now tell us say, yo, get on this and get on that. Because the thing, it's suffering, they're not talk too much, they get bored, you're not listening. I better be a sing to the slack song, you do the little shake and listen and pull it, because that's what I did for the TikTok, you know, the thing I say, I do it, I push it out and I swing back so, and I go so, and I grab somebody shot, somebody, what you know? Look on the wall now, dance board, bam, oi, smoke, you know? How come? You shoot somebody and they got smoke.
Trending dance.
Trending. But trending is the ending. You understand? You are trend to the end. That's what I mean. So now follow up the trend. Do this bad man, this skank man, do this skank. They must say keep your feet. You understand reggae music, man? Reggae got soul. Rocking my bone. Reggae got, you know them songs of listen. Right? What than a paddle boat? What that? What than a paddle boat? Them do them thing, they might eat a food still, so we can't really fight them from one end, but we have to look on it from the next end. Where are we going with it? It's entertaining, right? We understand it's entertainment, but we do not take it like an entertainment, do not take it like it's a Bible. It's something that can go worship and that's something that go do. Most of them think they're on enough, so listen to it and listen to the rhythm and when step on this move, but you must dash your way. Enough enlarge in your brain, right? But most enlarge in your brain is how we go overcome this oppression and depression. You know what I mean? But anyway, very bad. Your daughter, your mother, for a reason. You're good though.
What's your phone here?
Check your phone. That phone, I mean, if you check it, you know, your password on it, get it off, and if you check your phone.
You're not to be so rough.
Not tonight though. I don't have time for that tonight. I'm tired. So I'm gonna be.
Boy. You're not going to deal with our son, no. That female, you know?
It's when it's.
I know, male. What you going to go for?
No, when we go to work, when the hustling and the road is rough, when I come in, we feel rough. I just, your soft skin alone calm me down. When we can't just.
You have to get you out for her?
No, man, no. I just really want to talk to her more and she understand what time I work, you know. You know, out there with them, you know. So we can't, I'm telling you one of the first thing I look for now. But you know, I send my daughter to school and now. And one of them pick me there, decide to go tapping our head out there. You know what I'm saying? So we have to try to change the narrative of where it's going. We not say everything going neat and dandy, but there have to be consequence for what people do. So you leave the consequence and make it's very bad, so you won't have that return of certain things going over. Remember a girl went at the party and then the car tell she had no sense. And then she go foreign much. But 1 year she's still in a recovery and don't let the car come back to. You know about something? Yeah man, there was an incident man that want to tell lie vision and they tell me I first I never tell no lie. It's like the girl, me say girl at one party and when she at the party now, it's like she want girls here and the girl say, we are the farmer fan. She said, wait, they can see me. And Fanny go say that. The girl next girl lecture with about 6 girls. Everything off of the top shelf, my is on the kind of head. Anything back to the kind of head, everything the kind of when she done, she pass out. Nearly dead. She got foreign, put up on life machine, and she come back and I think she still a shake. So it's just the heartlessness of where country is, but you really have to guide the young ones. So, because she never at the party, that will not go on. Thank you, man. If you're not here in her bed, she would never get a lick in her head. You know what I mean? The party man want to make money, yes, but where is the security if you reach there on time? Most of life is not like a reality show, you know, where you have the security, then they have to get one box, then hold them and pull you away. You know what I mean? And so you go in a reality. In a reality, when people start lick you as a woman, one thing you see the people them start video, they take out their phone and start taking footage. You know that? Remember say, you know, we're going to foreign, you know. Yeah, a teacher thing, but you see, we are kind of things, I will be able to go hear it, so that's why we're going to come informative, we're going to know what stuff. Remember, said the woman when they are foreign, right? And when they are foreign, it's like, she comes to buy us in a restaurant, and then she want man just come in, but we are in bad, a bad man from the area, so I say, yo, right, so the woman kitchen an argument, right, in a restaurant. But it's like a line, suddenly like front end line. So I text she want man and he go up with me and say, man, tap it out, don't talk to me. It's mom knock you out. So same time when the argument I develop, she text her son like her, say, yo, take my gun out of the gun compartment, can come give me cash a light to follow and hold her. So something like that. Allegedly, that means she goes to bam, she texts his son and the son take out the gun and come right at the doorway in the place. And then the man still say, hey, me I tell us right now, more, we say one more things. Me knock you out and you go say, but my license, I want 50 man, boom. I'm not about no fist him like how Mike Tyson fist off somebody and the woman stand up and he fist him a second time. You see the third time for me answer what happened? What do you think happened? The son pull out the gun when he check out that come from and shot him. Boy! The first shot him get he run off. And the mother said kill him! And he run him down and give him 2 more. This when he come back, the lady want to take the gun from the son. She got done to herself and laugh and video it. She want to go and go clap 2 of them too. To show them say, we don't stand up and say folks are going and participate tonight. So this is a problem that we have in our society. We take too long to say cut the nonsense. You understand? Make sense? Well, I think I need to go to my bed now. I'm tired. Look like you want your foot them rubbed though.
I'm a pianist.
But every night I have to rub them. Go piss by them.
Wait, what?
No go and show them say something good for your foot. But I know what you see on the internet. And I think internet say now. If you believe in what they say the warm side, we make your foot feel better. When that's Somalia, we put your foot on your foot. A lie? That feel good? Mm-hmm. Why since you're pregnant you look like you have bleach? Your foot brown under your neck. Like I get that cream over your foot. That cream that for your foot?
You look like somebody who have bleach.
Don't you so? Look like you have bleach. Come in your foot never so white.
It's so weird.
So the crooks have bleach in life?
No, the crooks, when the sun is shining, it not burn my foot, so.
That means your foot now get down here then. Yeah, style for your foot, mama. Wear the flip-flop now. What crooks are done? You know. I go make you take a day off from the crooks now and then. Because your foot needs some sunlight. You see sun, your vitamins D.
What is vitamin D?
You get it from the sun. And I eat me this, we get the vitamin D and I eat me Geo. We go Geo and sun. That is it. That makes sense. My time I talk madness. Alright. So what we're going on?
Right now I go sleep.
Want a massage?
I am tired.
But we could just rest in there, make you massage, make you shake like a rattlesnake. You know the rattlesnake? Alright. Come go to your bed. Where you want to sleep? You don't remember when I go in the room back around. So why hang out on something? I don't know why hang out on so.
We want you somewhere comfortable. Than one in the next room.
And in the next room have a bigger bed. And TV, everything I was on TV.
We watch TV.
And nice. Oh. Alright, so let's go to bed then. You want light off? Or not?
Can't sleep in the night.
So,
You shouldn't know that.
no, we don't remember, you know. The baby tell them say woman change every day when they're pregnant, so they have to ask you, everything they have to ask you. So the screen put on back on this, but you know where you go. Alright. You come back like you're smart, you know. That means the entire clinic is everything back in night already.
Yeah, but we have to fuck before.
Yeah, that's what I say.
Ah, what is it?
So you know, come. If the joke can baby come out at least.
What is it? But tell me, say, I want to my young
Are you pull your tummy? Come on.
I mean, what should be one if you have sex? Okay, she loves sex because I mean, I want to pregnant, but no, I opposite.
No, but I'm get pregnant, so.
God bless you.
I have to love you to make the gay. Alright. We'll get a break tonight, man. Tomorrow we're going to fully charged. We're tired. Alright.
Never leave that here.
You sure we're fully giving a head?
Eat DH here without this steam. As we turn we back, we poof. And then we see her ground.
I want to go. Oh God, I want to get to them. Go Robbie. Go bank. Go rock bank.
What?
Rock bank already free.
The man really gone.
Why nigga? I can jump up and down and I beg them. Eh? Look at you look. You can't believe it really gone. That's your hand. Come on.
Brittany, what?
Yes. Be careful to eat.
You are kidding.
Oh,
Brittany really gone.
oh, come.
Ain't no stupid.
Girl, boy. I want your money.
Brittany, stop
I hear
it.
man.
Stop it.
Leave him alone because he gone.
Give me the money.
Can't
I want my bread
Give me the money.
Me?
Not the way you want to do.
Me go there go see them through your chop.
I want
And then me walk go there. Me go there go see two of them a chat. And me walk go there go
Green
find
breadfruit or
them.
ripe breadfruit? Which one?
Green puff breadfruit. If I write breadfruit, it go splash out. Good bread, yeah.
Why pay me and pray? Me pray this man, me can't pray in the evening.
Come dance with me.
Pray for you.
We can't pray. Me can't pray. Me can't pray.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Hey Brittany, what's up?
Hey.
Hi.
Listen, come dance with me.
No, I'm not in a dancing mood. What's up?
Why are you breaking that accent?
Is there something wrong?
Also,
Is she feeling well?
Why if me tell you I won't believe?
What
She
happened?
mad.
Why you mean she's
Her fruit drop in her head and die tree.
When me turn around, me see Brittany on the ground.
So,
Take her and go out with her nearly yes, she mad. Take her up and go on, man.
what the problem?
aren't you feeling well?
Food.
So how did the bird feel there?
Outside, I'm gonna climb some tree,
He just
man.
jump off her tree and lick me
I'm gonna climb some tree, no man, and stop going, so no.
So, she go a doctor or something?
Yes,
What's wrong with your guys,
I don't think I can handle this.
Go on with him and your woman. Take him up and go on with him.
Exactly.
Go on.
No,
You need to take care of her. You come about how you love her, you this, so take up her and go on.
but she wasn't mad when I was with her.
Also, true, you never mad, you don't want
I'm
when you
gonna
mad
climb
now.
banana tree, them
She doesn't.
outside.
What's my name? What is my name? What is my name? She doesn't even know my name. How can I be with her?
I mean, bye. Take your man go on.
And you take care of her because when she never mad, you talk about how you love her and this and that. So take her and go on with her now.
Go climb banana tree, no man.
Why don't you guys go climb a banana?
No, you and her will climb
You,
it.
I love her for years. So you
Go
go
climb
climb with her.
banana plant tree and
She doesn't even know my name. I cannot do this.
So, she will know in a due time.
No.
Go on with her.
Whenever she feels better, you guys can call me.
No, no bother.
Okay.
No,
If you want the car,
yeah,
you
man.
Have a good day.
Yeah,
If you want the car, you want.
Walk police.
So why I one pillar like that? So she climb banana tree, no man. Come on.
I don't want to cry banana tree. Don't push me.
And this is what you're showing me to do this chat site when you go to chat.
That take care of nobody.
I share some food.
Are you afraid, you know?
All what I'm afraid me not take care of no mad people.
Relax, lay down and relax.
I want to
Lay down and relax. Lay down and relax. Yes. Calm yourself.
Brittany. Brittany there.
So why answer me so strong?
Because we fed up her. No matter how she fit take her pill, she not take no pill. And so that this morning now you pack up in things them and gone.
When gone?
Maybe it's the way gone. If you take him pill them, he might play hard and I lick me and I go out. You see me there mad, me lick him down.
So now hold on for holding down and make him take a pill.
Hello. My father, now my mother not old.
And my father and mother alone, if you hold on to take pill, I don't hold on no young girl to take no pill.
Now come up on the road.
Go and look for him, come in and come out there. You want to go. Straight up by him, man.
Girl, wait there, so.
But there. You're good?
Not even expect you. Where the pan is Alena?
Today you play with dirt. Remember you start there? How they at school? Oh, you play with the little baby boy? Yeah.
So where you up so? Where you going so?
Come here, go on.
You act like a song for pick you and the dirt you did this playing now.
But we are little picnic. You must teach you something carrying the homework tomorrow, yours?
What homework?
Homework!
Teacher not giving no homework. And stop being someone.
Come here and go on.
Yeah, act like a little bit. Girl, stop.
You're pull out your finger. Come now.
Come, Brittany. Stop. Stop act like you're like a Brittany, Brittany, stop.
So you are doing this so?
Because they are like a son look 3 year old, them the kind of age Brittany there.
I don't play back with you again. I come grow and my family them when I go the bounce. Don't chat back to me.
Go on.
Give me a hug.
Go, Brittany, go on.
Good.
By the way, you know, see me have something to tell them?
What?
Me just pass the girl up there so we are look. She mad, you know? Yeah, she mad. The girl up there so all playing a dirt ball. You remember homework and one bag of something? Mommy, I asked him what kind of homework. Yeah. So you answer like you don't care about her?
No. That's all this way, you know. So yeah, so.
Yeah, hear me say.
What is she there?
She just gone. She just gone up her family. Don't go live back.
Oh. Alright, man, I go back and go up from here.
Alright.
Yeah, me want me a day so. Yeah, what? Yeah, police, inspector.
No, me I look for.
Come in my taxi now. We're going to town, get some burger and KFC.
Wait, come with me get a burger and KFC. Come now.
So what?
Come with me walk belong to.
Okay, one again.
No.
You have a keep?
Yeah. Yeah, go see here, so, and don't move, yeah?
Don't move till when? Later tomorrow.
I'm come back.
I'm check up your yard.
No, man, I'm come back, you can do all of that, yeah?
You come on in?
Yeah, I'm busy.
Yeah. Hold on. You'll be a time on.
Soon, I'm Keba. Yeah, no worry yourself.
Yeah, Keba. Bush.
Alright, you Keba.
Let me a nice, you know?
Alright. Let's relax. Come back. Just hear yourself.
Alright, me away for you.
How you go?
Me go for my new man, me turn side chicken now.
Me hear say your brain no right. That's true. Cause me tell you about the tree and the breadfruit. I miss you drop.
Who tell you say my brain don't right? Your brain right?
Alright, the boy alright though.
Leave me alone. Bye.
Alright.
How are you?
You don't know me, but I'm gonna introduce myself. I'm your side chick. Your man never tell about me, not true.
Something wrong with it?
What's wrong with me? No?
Yeah, babe, so.
Come here, babe.
What do you mean by side chick too?
Side chicks are part of the bed of mine. And a part in your man's life of mine. So yeah.
I'm gonna look for a man because this could never right.
So never right. Girl, I don't like it because I'm here, your man share it.
I know right.
Girl, I don't in the bed. Come, we are not sleeping. We come in the bed when you reach, you know. Come. How about this a girl, your man?
Come in the bed, man. House matter for. Come on, I know you're bright enough. I could be a key to my door.
Baby, love the house is up here, you know. Come, we can play play until you reach catch. Come. Why? Come.
Don't touch me.
Come get cool breeze.
Not touch. Come out of my house.
Come on.
We are doing that. Move from side and why? Where she come from?
You said she got arrived.
Where that?
Oh, she.
Girl. Let me say, I'm gonna live with it.
Oh, she.
Live with it.
What you do, babe?
No, you're good. You don't miss me.
Me to be my man, this is me.
So yeah, this one, you know, I'm calling.
So, oh, she know where you live.
I'm from what you don't want to say, man.
Come up here.
Don't care no man, anything to tell her, man.
She tell a girlfriend about me. It's all got Greenfield Hotel. I asked her for one for Japa home.
What's that about Greenfield Hotel?
Me?
What's that?
I'm telling you, the hotel located in a bush. Yeah, me told me go bush go.
She's a
Told me go bush go.
She's a man.
You want to see that bush of it? You want to
She
what you in the bush now? In the bush.
She says she's a man.
In the
Yes.
you can't make me say something. You
Come.
want to say nothing about the year. I'm man good at your with you.
Yeah, that's for Carol. Please.
I feel
Stop touching.
come no man, come.
What the fuck?
That's funny. I'm not taking on.
Come no man.
Oh, shit.
Come no man.
Oh, she know where you live. We need her to explain that to me.
Why?
Watch out. Come no man.
Let me go, the man! You can't do that. You can't do the side chick like this.
Come.
Girl, talk to your man now. Talk to the man now. Talk to women.
Man.
Me and not share no man, me sign the yard.
Sunday, this is the yard, man. Let's go.
Come.
Hello. Shaman, we have to go back to Greenfield Hotel.
Relax.
Oh, so we are trying to say now.
Yes.
Alright, I feel your time now. May we upon me turn here. Lord God, it's sun hot. Oh, you can't give more for now on AC out here. I don't do a left piece time for me there, no. So, I don't do a left piece time for me there, no. So, what's up? I don't do a left piece time for me there, no.
Hello. Yeah, no, come to the sister. Come to your vessel. Come here. You come up here. I say go me and I did me and I go hotel.
Yeah, you try to call the people and to take off.
Come here. Who have people them? Fear people them. Yeah, come here. No.
And she tell me say she mad now on the word.
Yeah. Coming on that town now on the road and you know say I ain't no street.
So how she know where you live?
She train everybody and she just stay.
Suppose she kill me in my sleep. When I'm asleep, she come outside and she find the bed, you know.
Keep the door locked. So she stay, she follow everybody.
Suppose I leave one man.
And you will let the door open on me.
I want to feel safe in my house, not because I leave the door open. You know, tell me how should be to you. You're just silent for she come.
Let me tell you the truth. I'm a cousin, but he says she mad out a day. I had gone some breadfruit or something definitely or something. You understand? So best option for you right now, I feel move right now, not tell her best option because she now got top come up there so.
Brittany, where do pipe?
What no far? Let me go away from my man to come out.
Your man downstairs.
I'm a man.
In John 3 window and done this I wait for you, so come on.
No, you for me?
Yes,
Come on,
come
he
on.
down there.
In the down house.
Come on, mate, you down there?
Take up your no, you mate, you say you alone.
Yeah, me bag them, me come them in. Tell me good sexy clothes and you take them up for me and I'm put on my slipper.
I know me carry them up here, take them out.
Stop now!
Your man down there, we are
Come over this time, your man. Come. Random. Come down there, man. We're farming out there. We're farming.
Until she do something to one away because she's very sneaky.
Me not like my people, you know. So anything I'm up to too, cause me not staying here. Cause if suppose she did have one night, me dead right say no, come asleep, me asleep and she literally come and
move. We have to move. So just fuck up the thing them. Fuck up the thing them.
You go fuck up the things then.
Alright. Put it up and do it the fast, you know.
Girl, give me off.
You want my phone to do what?
Give me off.
Easy yourself, no, Brittany.
Shoot.
Be a yourself, man.
Oh, yo.
Yeah, what me hand to hand?
Let him go. May I give you medication?
Me no want it. Move.
Hold on.
Jesus Christ.
Me no want it.
Yeah, I want to take it. Come.
She are going to take you.
Come on, your hand.
Even
Me chain now.
Give me.
Give me water now. You don't take your hide. You take me hide. Give me them.
Girl, take it in.
don't worry.
Me say, oh, me slap you. Take it in.
Come.
Give me.
Take them. Drink your water now.
Swallow it. Open up.
Swallow it.
Open your mouth, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth wide. Sure. Look at she want to find you know. Does she find me? Can't tell me. Good man. Go on. Nothing there. Why is? I don't even know what to do. Right now. I don't know what to do. Sit down. Come on, screech you. Come back yourself. Sit down. Sit down, Brittany. Why use the bathroom? The bathroom there, so. Why use the outdoor bathroom? The bathroom there, so. Wow. Jesus Christ. Left alone. Maybe one. You even if we run go to road and something go kill him out there. Making one. Come go look for him, come look for him. I'm not go look for nobody. Let me go back. Go sit down for me phone. I'm alright. Here, sit down. You're not okay. Why? Yes, so let me tell you something, not run off her, maybe one, she's still run one too. You know, mad like she run one too. Wake up. Like, first of all, I want to know the out there when the breadfruit drop in their head, so you should not care. Don't blame no palm. I want to know this one. Don't pay palm. This one here, she is the old day. Yes, I am going. Make sure they don't find out our house. Exactly. You should have come with them. You should have said, come on, me are going, you know. You should not, yeah, be going. You should have come in front and fight on their birthday tree. So you feel blame too. You have to have one run. You don't both do no. And you should have run go the team. Look at her? No. No, it's great. I want you mad out here and nobody no look. Me not go mad. You not go mad. You can't say that. I'm most mad that you something mad. How much should I walk over and be mad? I can't go over here, dear man. I'm not about to business. Come, you pick care about your people. No, come back. You can't tap me.
Oh, baby, she don't make move come as.
I got me. Guys? Well, go on, baby.
No.
Don't talk to my friend. Well, go on, baby. Well, go on. You know this, man?
Relax.
Let's go to work. Oh, she is fine. We're back. We have been on my friend.
Everywhere we go.
What's up? I'm too busy now. What's our this is John. So, like Monday, you can sleep. Tuesday, you can sleep. Wednesday, you can sleep. When up in the for your work.
Come
Girl, come here. Look here. You're the sad girl. And you're the mate. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
Say, girl, man. It's it.
Suppose
look what I look up here.
Problem fear. What's up?
Good man.
What me do you so?
When
That
you
me want to ask you come out of my man, please.
Come.
No, like serious, what me do you so?
Come man.
You never know when you bust open the door and you chain.
What happened to you now?
Come on, no, come out. Make sure come out there.
No, I want to go in there, so.
Come on.
No, just please explain to me. I don't know where I'm going right now.
You mean by
You're coming out, you're mad, you're dragging.
Mad, I know why you come up with how we used to live and then you move. And then you come back right yourself. What?
When all of that take place,
Come out of my house.
Go on. Because I can't bother with the deeper drama and cover. Go on.
1 year yard.
Go on, man.
Something definitely wrong with that girl, Lena. We need to move from out of the area. Cause look like there's something wrong with she. Me not gonna stay with none.
Because we can't stay so. Everywhere we go, she'll find us. I go hold a beard.
I must forget.
You see them feet there dirty?
Yeah.
And your yard this time, you see when they get look bigger, you can collect rent.
Oh, why?
When you have collect rent, because that's how you get money When you have a house you not use, instead of have it there and cockroach living in it and 40 leg, you rent it to somebody like somebody living in it, right? And then pay your money. That's called business, right? Look for me talk to you. You'll be a business woman, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Where got it money?
Spend it.
Where you spend it to?
Buy clothes.
But listen.
School uniform.
Look for me now. You see, if you don't make it, you cannot spend it, right?
Yeah.
So this is how you make it, by having place that rent and people pay your rent. So say good evening.
Good evening.
Somebody tell the rent come please.
Somebody tell the rent come please.
Yeah man. Yeah, good day. Me a teach her how to collect her rent.
Even.
And you use the right hand receive money, because the left hand give you money. Use the right hand collect money. And he say thank you.
Thank you.
Ask all of the money, isn't it? Ask her.
All the money is in it.
All right in there.
It's nice doing business with you.
Nice doing business with you.
And please don't make it be late next time.
Please don't make it be late this time.
Alright, so bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright, till we come again. Alright, enough respect, is it? Me a teach her. You treat her good, she drop the rent. You drop the rent, I carry it up. You drop the rent, I drop it. The price.
No.
You carry up?
Yeah.
A rough pound of case, she gonna carry up. I feel her clear. Alright?
Look at you with your mother to the dear. Look good and clean.
I have a joke on them make more mad out.
Girl, you want
Of course I did mad out.
You see the man where they have where they meet the rich man and chatting.
You wanna me say me I go out with today?
We're checking a foreign accent. Him say one. When him see a man, he run go and say no one know who do it against can you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So already they go out since I'm not chatting mad out.
Girl, you did mad out and I run up and down. Now one day if I don't know nobody molest you or anything. I run down, you can't find nothing much in beer.
That's it.
Yeah, and the boy desert you know what dragon he said.
But you can't recall none of that to take place.
Oh, when you get better, we come back for you.
When you get better, we come back
When
for me.
you get better, we will come back for you.
Me? You know what? Thank you if you said this to me because me, so they come to pick me up, I'll put him in place and I'm not bother going out with him, I don't want him anymore. Just the way thing is
you can't do with madman.
Madman, but go show him what is madman when you reach her. Oh, left, okay.
He lives same time as I know another one.
Okay then. No problem. Thank you guys for telling me, but I still can't believe say you not me did mad over.
Girl, me I'll make video. One of the day I'm gonna show you a video when we going.
One of the video.
I'm gonna show you a video.
She a give up pill and not even want to take it.
I'm gonna show you a video. Yeah.
You fight me off. I mean, you beat me up.
Don't know.
Fling back in my face and I'm sitting there.
Well, for that, I don't want to time with this stick. I'm very sorry about that.
Babe.
Babe, we move for yourself.
What do you mean? Oh, hello, good evening.
Hello. You know what? It makes sense to dash with the accent there because it don't fit. And next thing, when time I hear somebody don't mad out, you never want me. But I know you want when I see me clean up and stuff, excuse out of my face. Me don't want you, excuse.
Who told you these lies?
Who told you these lies?
Remember writing from my face and they say no one.
Exactly.
You mean?
Exactly.
I told you guys that.
Of course.
I told you to dash away that accent because it don't fit you, okay?
Hey.
Please show the accent, they don't fit you. Dash away.
So are we done?
We're done.
Really?
Yo, we're done.
Really?
Really? You look up that chump change when you spend for me? That can't do nothing to me right now.
So when she did say me tell her
Next thing, your money cannot buy my love. So it makes sense to us go on. Me, if I kick her, I will take one of my machine in the face. Excuse.
I'm sorry. Boy like a dog.
I'm sorry. Excuse.
I don't want to get low.
Me don't want you sorry.
Hey, man, make you mad again.
You feel that money, and look, but hello, everything is not all about money. Excuse. We can't find a way better man different from you. Even if you don't have the wealth what you have, but we satisfied with it. So it makes sense. So come out of my face and go on. You know what? One time I'm mad, but I know you want me excuse, sorry. This Mr. Shit, man.
Is that your final decision?
That's my final decision. Excuse me.
Okay.
Feel like you don't get speed in my accent. Hey, on the thank you for
tell me.
My mother again.
Which mother again?
You talk too loud.
I mean, start pointing about mother again. Girl, me come here and say, don't come use that against me. Tell me, girl, against me.
You're facing better. Do you ever talk now better? You know better. Alright.
The point bad dog.
Yo, you know, so if I tell you the truth, I'm really sorry about how I deal with the other day. I go home and like, I just sit down and I think about it and I say, yo, why am I virgin just in love with every mad somebody and the man have a good woman in yard? So I did it and I meditate with and I make one link. And them tell me say a real something. It means like a sickness you have you. So I tell them I pull down one number for you. So take out your phone, cause you're my virgin youth and I don't want you behave them way. So you remember your number?
Yeah, I remember.
Alright, cause I study your number, okay? If it's true, I just want you alright youth. Because I don't want your life to live so. You understand? Because remember I tell you every time. You smell weird, like you smell frothy. So me no want you live there in life. Yeah. You see me, because you have your wife here. So why you have your wife and you have 400 mad people? But anyway, the number 347-1123.
347-1123.
Yeah man, 347-1123. So just hurry up and go right now, go put your number in your phone and call somebody.
347-1123.
Yeah, 347-1123. Hurry up. So you can get your number. If you don't remember it, you call me. 347-1123. Alright.
Hello? Yeah, girl. May I call you from like evening and I get you? Yeah. I have something important to tell you. This, yeah, I remember when I tell you about the thing where in basically like something wrong when my dirty at them time they want do it. No, things different, me I tell you. Different. In friend, I don't know, but it's like in friend carry him go somewhere, I give him a link with somebody. No, when me clean boy I tell me say, oh, you can't go through the door and come out with it right away, this, that me I tell you, my sex life don't go down what no? Why? Sometimes me can't bother. Right now me can't bother because I'm not stop text it for me. When me, who does? Who does? Hold on. Yeah, girl, me I tell you, I want to clean when I'm in the house. Push the door. Push. Wow. Okay, we are coming to a big friend.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
When
I just talk to one of my friends in the bathroom. I just talk to one of my friends there. Girl, I'm so called about.
General, where are you then?
Who you carry him? Shut me on.
Yeah, man, only for respect, man. You know, I'm a general, man. I have to look out for you, isn't it?
I don't know what you do. It is a totally different person.
Glad to hear that, you know. I tell you, I can't with my friend. I'm over around way, you know, see me? So I'm glad to know so you get to know me. No, man, I'm going. You know, ride the bike. Yeah, man, so don't worry yourself. Because I understand, I know, say, as well, you tell me that you on the phone still say sex life, I'll go say, glad. I make you contact female and I'm good now, so.
See, look at the chop on me. Look at the chop on me. Normally, I'm not come so close to me, you know. Normally, boy, I get a long time gone. Look at
I work, but I do still, you know. I rake up on something and I just say, yo, I have to work, come over here and see if everything good. Because I say, I get a number, but you get back to me.
Why, if I have money, would I buy, yo, so see that for buying a word right now. I truly have money right now.
Man, on my side,
I think we'll be able to be the same. You smell me, you know, smell me and show me that hurt, man, isn't it? That hurt more, so I go and check on the sleep. But just go and big up yourself. Isn't it? And just stay up and
shit, man, again.
big up yourself. Alright. Blessings. So that's what you do. Yeah, man. Alright.
One.
Yeah, man. But
Yeah, man. Tired. You see me sit down same place and I do the intro. You just watch a movie, right? But may I tell you, say, that movie there, Mad Fetish, is a story where it's different, you know what I mean? So I hope you understand, because you have foot fetish, you have hand fetish, you have all the fetish, you have nose fetish, you have people who are into that. It does. I don't know if it's a touch of. I don't think it's really mental disorder or anything. I think it's just something that relaxes the mind enough for your own world. Yeah, I think you have ganja fetish. I don't know. All right though. So anyway, don't know for that now. That's the movie I just watched a while ago. Hope you enjoy, hope you learn something about it, you know what I mean? So, we just come forward to the shop, you know what I mean? I put in some work out there same way, so I try to find the money enough to buy the grill now. Everything else done already, but you know, start paint yet. But I put in the structure, so I have to try to get the money enough to do the grill. And that's an expensive part, because I have to make the prison grill look good, and I have to build a bunk bed. Because when I shoot the prison scene out, they want to look just like a real prison. I never gone on real prison yet then, so I say like it's an American prison, not a Jamaican prison. You know what I mean? Because I don't know how Jamaican prison look still. You know what I mean? So I'm not really want to go look how I look. I don't have the time. You know what I mean? I'm not think they're going to go look how I look. So I'm not going to that.
You know what I mean? Thing they're going out in the road, they go for you. No of them things are going out in the road.
Like what?
Mad fish.
Mad fetish. Oh.
Yeah.
You were there?
They were saying, say, me and live with me at two different.
You were there? You have a sex with a man yet?
No, sir. Yeah.
How you don't know?
Well, we do it in a movie. We do it in a movie.
Well, I've heard the story before though. You know what I mean? Where man take mad woman off the road and have sex with them.
So I can advise that we youth them on there.
Which youth?
Can I book up on the mad fetish there?
No, man, not advise the youth and that. The what fear or your preference or your preference. So if you have sex with a mad woman,
so
you're not killer.
Your preference?
My preference is what?
What is your preference?
With what though?
With the female then.
Well, that's my business. And your business is your business.
Well,
then so mine own business, because we have a series that come on now.
The movie the release, man.
No, we're not releasing yet, man. It's a series me I do. We will cut up until now one series. We have a shoot.
Yeah, people, no web series are forward. JAMMIWOOD City. We're building JAMMIWOOD studio right now. So I'm checking. You see the number on the screen, contact it. Because I will pay donation for the
yeah man. So what I
buy 4 and thing work for the shop. So
we just add up one little girl to where I got school, so that are more bills for pay, you know what I mean?
Yeah man.
Young one.
Check in.
Which school I go again? Tell me which school I go. Froome. Yeah, she go to Froome school, and what grade in? 7. She in grade 7. So we have to definitely put in some work, because we want better for the youth, you know what I mean? And we have our next young pitney where we say tap me one day and say you want $200. We never have $200 pounds, so we give him 100. But we really have to go find the parents here and really see how we can put aside the money for her, and I have money. So that means she not up on the roadside I beg. You know, like it. But not the wrong way. If you don't have it, you better beg more than steal it. You know what I mean? Nothing wrong with begging. So but she young. I don't want she to beg the wrong person and then take her away and nothing wrong with her and can't find her. That was the problem with it. You know what I mean? So we have to find that and deal with that still. You know what I mean? That is that and this is this. But anyway, thanks for watching.
See, I look out for you, them look for you. God bless you.
Well, me a youth and me has look out for you, them a normal procedure, daddy. You know what I mean? Yeah man, that's how you go, you know. Because I think by now would have at least 20 people or 30, but you know, walk out. You know what I mean? So me have get one daughter, but give thanks, you know what I mean? I mean, I roll. What's here now on the next movie, a new movie there, where me I shoot and now same speed, so a bag of things go on. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Yeah, man. But they are all the top. Papa don't hold the camera, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, they are all the Papa there, you know? Papa is
I'll tell the people in your
Oh, they are response to the comments from anyway, burn down to the ground. I don't know what they were talking about.
It's true, him just flying. I don't know if you see live, him just flying. Where did he go? DR.
Well, as I said.
Yeah, man, a lot of things in our progress.
We're going over.
Yeah, man, so if you want to come to your Caribbean island, you know, you just send in the link, you know what I mean? Because we are coming on a place them. So I guess the more invited we get to a place, we're going to come there next year. So we are going to shoot for 1 2 weeks, you know what I mean? Because just see a different place.
Just one so I
yeah, man, different place in the world, you know what I mean? So if you're over there and you want to move them to, you're okay to join in, you know what I mean? Because you can't walk. Take and go do what you do, you know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground.